Hello beautiful! Thank you so much for watching Fly Mommy Fly. Let's jump right in and make some relaxing DIY bath salts together. First you're going to need a container. I used this mason jar. You'll need Epsom salt, lavender essential oil. Fill your container halfway with your Epsom salts. Then drop a few drops of lavender essential oil in there. Shake it up. Fill your jar until it's almost full. Add a few more drops of lavender essential oil. Put the lid on, shake it up again, and ta-da! You could be finished right now, but I like to add a little bit of flair to my bath salts, especially if I'm giving it as a gift. So I'm adding some pink Himalayan sea salt crystals for color. Then I have some dried up rose petals and dried up chamomile. I got a really great deal on my materials and I will link those below. And shake it up again. This is just such a cute DIY gift idea. And then I just finished it off with a little bow and a little lavender flowers. I like to leave the lid off sometimes and it almost acts as a diffuser. My whole bathroom smells so yummy and full of lavender blossoms. It makes me really happy. So, I just want to encourage you to take the unnecessary weight off your shoulders, relax, have fun, and take some time out for yourself because you deserve that. It just helps us maintain a positive mindset. Then you can face whatever life throws at you. So thank you so much for watching. God bless you. Have a beautiful day. And I hope you subscribe so I can see you in the next one. Cast all your anxiety on God because He cares for you.